Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Make sure the charge LED is off. Once done, remove the back cover, unscrew the visible T5 screws, then pry gently with a spudger along the seam. You should wear an anti-static wrist strap or touch a grounded metal surface to discharge static. Set screws in order so you can reinstall them correctly. This first phase exposes the Wi-Fi area. You do this now to avoid later surprises when handling delicate ribbon cables and connectors. With the cover off, identify the two Wi-Fi card and antenna leads. You must remove these first. Carefully lift each antenna connector straight up. Do not pry sideways. Label them so you reconnect correctly. Then remove the small retaining screw and slide the card out at a low angle from the M2 slot. You may need a slight wiggle if it's snug. Inspect the slot and connectors for dust or bent pins, because a clean connection ensures signal integrity and avoids intermittent failures after reassembly. Insert the new M2 Wi-Fi card at the same angle you removed the old one. Push it into the slot until seated, then press it flat and secure with the retaining screw. Reconnect each antenna to its labeled terminal, reattach the battery or reconnect internal power, then replace the back cover and all screws. Boot into the operating system, install the correct drivers, and verify the adapter appears in Device Manager. If you don't see networks, try reseating antennas and updating drivers. That single reconnection mistake is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.